A bombshell high school hazing lawsuit we first told you about back in the fall has hit a potential snag. Our Ali Espinosa joins us in the control room now, breaking down the setback and sharing why we're told it could actually end up being a positive in the long run. Ali, catch us up.
Rachel, a judge delayed a hearing today for former Waccamaw High coach John Jones and current principal Hunter Eddy, who are seeking to be removed from a lawsuit accusing both of them of trying to hide years of brutal abuse within the school's cross-country team.
To be accountable for our actions.
This latest continuance will allow the school district's attorney more time to weigh the specifics of Jones and Eddy's alleged involvement in this cover-up, something Preston Britton is now applauding. He's representing the 13-year-old student whose parents first came to us in November, claiming fellow Waccamaw High School cross-country team members both physically and sexually abused their son during the 2022-23 school year, even forcing him to vandalize a bathroom.
For a persistent pattern of abuse to occur to the same child on a regular basis with a massive gap in age, but you're talking about a 12-year-old and 16, 17, 8-year-old boys interacting with him in a way that is so highly inappropriate, that has to be identified.
An October lawsuit from the victim's family claims both Jones and Eddy enabled this abuse, with Eddy reportedly admitting to deputies he knew the cross-country team had been hazing its members for years, but never reported it. Despite that apparent admission, both men do have a way out of the lawsuit, as their attorney claims they're legally protected, as long as they're, quote, acting under the scope of the school district. Britton, however, notes those protections don't apply if the two were, quote, acting on their own responsibilities in a grossly negligent manner or without using the correct amount of care, something he hopes Thursday's continuance will help bring to light.
Something this persistent and pervasive can't be swept under the rug, not for any individual, not for a coach, no matter how good a coach they were. This is something that's just not acceptable.
The defendant's attorney declined to respond to provide me a comment for this story. Online records show a new hearing is now set for May 9th. Live in the control room, Ali Espinosa, WMBF.